So how do plants actually breathe in the carbon dioxide they need for the Calvin cycle? It enters through small openings in the leaves called stomata. However, when stomata are open, some water can evaporate out of them. So plants are able to open and close their stomata to balance taking in carbon dioxide and losing water. Depending on the environment the plant lives in, it may have a high need to conserve water. But the longer the stomata are closed, the less carbon dioxide the plant can take in. Some plants have special adaptations to their photosynthesis process that allow them to maximize intake of carbon dioxide and minimize water loss. Most plants have C3 photosynthesis, which is the process we just talked about. However, plants who live in dry environments have a different form of photosynthesis called C4 photosynthesis. They can partially close their stomata to reduce evaporation, but as a result, they take in less carbon dioxide. So instead, in C4 photosynthesis, there's an extra step that allows these plants to take up more carbon dioxide when their stomata are open. However, there's a cost to this. It takes more energy to perform this extra step. However, it makes them able to survive in dry environments. Plants in extremely dry environments, like deserts, have another form of photosynthesis called CAM photosynthesis. In CAM photosynthesis, plants open their stomata at night when it is cooler and less dry, and close them during the day. To make sure they still have a supply of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during the day, they have an extra step that allows them to store carbon dioxide so they can use it during the daytime. However, this extra step also takes extra energy and takes more energy than the extra step in C4 photosynthesis. Because it costs them so much energy, they have less energy to put towards growth. So these plants tend to grow very slowly. This is why cacti tend to have very slow growth.